Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is November 6, 2023, Monday. In this video, we will be discussing about the market performance, that is Nifty, BankNifty and other components performance for this day, right? First the levels, then the discussion part of it. FinNifty closed 19,537.55, 0.88%, 0.9% up you can say. BankNifty up by 0.7%, 43,619.40. Nifty closed at 19,441.75, 0.94% up. So what happened? Yet another day of gap up opening above the previous day's high. That is, today it opened above Friday's high. Thereafter, it didn't do anything excepting that Nifty formed a green candle while FinNifty and BankNifty formed a doji. Normally, this kind of dojis and dojis, it is going in a straight line. In fact, technically there is something called, which I have always said, that rising three methods can happen when big candles forms in the downward side. Likewise, falling three methods can happen when it goes up in a straight line. But there is no rule, no. This is not a mathematical formula or anything. No, after 3 candles it has to form, or after 4 candles it has to form. Sometimes it can form after 2 candles also. It is all purely driven by demand and supply. But because it has reached the critical point, one has to be cautious in going long at this stage, immediately at least. Why? Because BankNifty and FinNifty managed to slightly close above the Bollinger Middle Band, while Nifty is just touching the Bollinger Middle Band. So Bollinger Middle Band is a very powerful resistance or support, as the case may be. Earlier, it acted as a very powerful resistance when it came down and it had a dramatic fall. Now it has once again gone there. It will act as a resistance. Probably it may take a day or two before it breaks that up. Once it breaks up and decisively breaks up, then yes, you can expect a significant up move. Same way, it is just above the 20-day exponential moving average, above which you have the 50-day moving average and the 100-day moving average. Those are all very critical resistance points for all these indices. But at least at this point in time, the immediate downfall has been arrested and it has gone up to the middle band. From here, can you expect such a rally? The answer is no. But is it a reversal? Again, the answer is no. We have to wait for confirmation. But definitely, crossing the middle band will take some time. It might probably can spend 1 or 2 days or even 4 or 5 days around these levels. Thereby, in the weekly chart, it can even form a candle, doji candle. Next week is again Diwali week, and probably the momentum can continue for some more days. But largely, we have to wait and see how it is going to form tomorrow. But don't expect a big up move tomorrow. That is very clear. Or in the next few days, we can't expect significant up move. But yes, there can be some sideways movement. That's what we expect. So with this, let's go into the discussion part of it. SBI down 1%. AU, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, IndusInd Bank, Yes Bank, all up by 1%. Axis up by 2%. If you recollect, we had said about Axis Bank. Axis Bank is having a good short-term up move. Last month it was a down month. This month it is reversing, and probably it will go up in a good way. The financial Jio and Shriram 1% down. Chola, IDFC, L&T 1% up. Bajaj Finance, M&M Finance and Manappuram 2% up. Excuse me. Insurance and cards, ICICI General and SBI cards 1% up, others remain flat. Oil and telecom, both Bharti and Reliance moved up by 1%, which is why you had such a good move in Nifty. In the IT, Emphasis down 1%, Apple, Birlasoft, Coforge, Infi, Intellect, LTTS, TCS, Techem all moved up by 1%. On the consumer goods, Bata, Pidilite, Titan 1% down, ABFRL, Nestle, Britannia 1% up. Asian Paints and Trent 2% up, Berger Paints 3% up. In the automobiles, Bajaj Auto, M&M Motors and TVS 1% up, Eicher Motors and Hero Motors 2% up, Bharat Forge 4% up. Metals, coal, Hindalco, JSW 1% up, National Aluminium, SAIL and Jindal Steel 2% up. Jindal had a SAIL and Tata Steel 2% up. Jindal Steel had a massive move of 4%. Basically, it's a short covering rally. On the health and pharma, Dr. Reddy, Sun Pharma 1% up, Lalpat 2% up, Divi's 3% up, Metropolis massive up move of 6%. In the others category, DLF, Havels and Aries 1% down. Adani Ports and Adani Enterprise, Delta Corp, IRCTC, MCX, Ultratech and UPL up by 1%. L&T, Godrej and Indigo and Polycab up 2%. Nika up 5%. Zomato up 6%. So overall, if you see, like overall it was like every sector participated, which is why you had such a good up move. But because it has reached a resistance point, one has to be careful. With that, what will be the levels that for FinNifty one can think of? So FinNifty, of course, this holds for all the things because FinNifty expiry is tomorrow, but largely this holds for everyone, for all the three indices. The 100-day moving average will act as a very powerful resistance because it has to first break above the Bollinger Middle Band, then the 50-day moving averages, after which is the 100 moving average. So it has to break that. On the downward side, October close is going to act as a very good support because it is a month, right? October month, and this November month has just opened 4 days and it has gone up, and the momentum is there. So it can't go down and close below the October close that easily, unless otherwise something dramatic happens. Please understand, all the technical analysis will work on the current mood of the market. If there is a sudden new event or news or anything that comes and the mood of the market changes dramatically, the technical analyst has to adjust to the new mood of the market and accordingly analyze things. So on the current mood of the market, this October close is going to be a very strong support for all the three indices. Thank you very much.